Hi, Angela Wolf here with a quick tip on how to lay out your pattern on tweed fabric. I absolutely love tweed fabric, and you can see there's definitely a pattern to follow. So first off, lay your fabric just one layer thick. Do not fold it because you run the risk of cutting and it's not going to match up. So start with your front piece and line up your center front with one of the edges. So I'm going to use the dark gray as a line or the pink. Either one is fine. On the hem, I'm going to line up right here with this bottom part of the gray. Then I'm moving to the side front piece, and again, I want to kind of consider where this edge is going to meet up on the hem. That's the best place to start lining up. And I notice that once this is sewn, there's going to be pink right there. So I'm going to fold this back, line it up at the bottom. The same gray spot that they have here, I might have to move it over to the next. You do end up wasting just a little bit of fabric, but you want to just compare where the seam is going to be sewn. So there's my side back right here, along the gray at the bottom, and again compare. If this is sewn, it's going to be in the middle of the pink, so when this is sewn, we want to move over to the middle of the pink. I think you're getting the idea. And for the back piece, you're going to do exactly the same. Compare what's going to be right here when sewn. This is a 1/2 inch seam allowance, and move it over to the gray and to the bottom of the gray. And I will go ahead and cut all those pieces out and then move the fabric over, flip these over, and do the same process. If you have sleeves, the important part is not the hem on the sleeve. Instead, you're going to match up the notches with the notches on the pattern. And sometimes I'll just chalk in on a piece of paper the design, and then it's easier to match up. And the last tip with tweed is make sure that you steam press the fabric before cutting it out so you don't run the risk of it shrinking.